Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today we are going to learn a Chinese sentence and the sentence is Have you finished your homework? क्या तुमने अपने घर का काम ख़त्म कर लिया या ख़त्म कर लिया है? So in Chinese it is 你写完作业了吗？你means you यानी तुम 写 means to write यानी लिखना 完 means to finish यानी ख़त्म करना 作业 means homework यानी घर का काम ल it is an auxiliary or a particle which is used in a Chinese sentence to indicate the completion of an action. कोई काम ख़त्म हो गया है तो उसकी तरफ इशारा करता है इसका एक इस्तेमाली है. It is one of the use of this word. Okay, so and ma is a particle which is used in a Chinese sentence to make a Chinese sentence interrogative. सवालिया बनाने के लिए ये लफ्ज़ मा जो है वो चीनी जुमले के आखिर में इस्तेमाल होता है. So I'll write these words for you individually if you are interested in writing these words. So let us proceed ahead and write these words one by one. Okay, so you are very familiar with this word. This means ni means you yani tum. Okay, and the other word is xie यानी to write. लिखना मैंने वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ भी है. और ये जो लफ्ज़ है wan to finish ख़त्म करना. Okay, and what about this?作业 means homework or school assignment. Okay, school assignment. And this is law. Okay, and the last one is ma. So I have already told you the uses of these. Okay, one more thing about this sentence is that if you see here I wrote this. Okay, like I wrote second tone on ni. Why? Because if two third tone syllables follow each other, then the first third tone syllable changes into second tone and the second third tone syllable remain at its own place. So 你写完作业了吗？你写完作业了吗？ Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your school assignment? This is how we write it. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. We are going to meet in another interesting video regarding Chinese language. See you. 再见.